How to add background on iMovie. If you want to add a background in iMovie for text, green screen or just a visual effect, in this video I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded iMovie on your device. You can download iMovie on your MacBook or on your iPhone. This app is not available on Android device. After that, click on search bar and open iMovie. Now open the project where you want to add the background to. After that, click on this edit option. Now on this plus icon, click on it and here click on this background option. You'll see several options like black, white, blue, gradient and even animated backgrounds. Now click and drag your design background into the timeline. Place it wherever you want into the timeline. After that, add a text or video on top. If you want to place a text or a green screen clip over it, just drag that media over the background in the timeline. And that's it. This is how you add background on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.